Alright, so got some new decals for the subscriber KX250, and as you can see there's a lot of black, so I wanted to throw a little more green at it. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking right here. Alright, and then over here, so these are custom decals, you can play around with it on the website. So over here, this was white, I went with like a light gray, and that's just to tie in the color of the motor and the silver pipe and whatnot. And then over here, this is the number plate. So I went with dark letters, gray outline, so that looks pretty cool. And then where is the, let's see the side panel here. Alright, and then here's the side panel here. So I think that's going to look pretty cool. No hideous colors, just nice and clean, subtle. And then I do have the airbox stickers. See where that's at. So that goes there, so that's going to give it a little more color. So yeah, let's start installing this stuff.